Hi friends, welcome to your Happy Dappy. So if you are new in this channel, please share and subscribe for more videos. So today we will learn the pet animals and also we can say farm animals. These animals live at home and in farm. So this is a camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Camel. This is dog. This is dog. D-O-G, dog. G-O-G, dog. This is cat. Oh, where is cat? This is cat. C-A-T, cat. What is this? Do you know? Oh, this is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Friends, you know my favorite pet is horse. Do you love horse? So tell me in comment section. Where is horse? This is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. This is cow. This is cow. This cow. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. Let's repeat these all animals' name with me. Camel, cow, sheep, horse, cat, dog. Share and subscribe for more videos. Friends, we will learn sea animals. Do you like the sea animals? I love sea animals. They live in sea and they live in water. I love all these water animals. I like starfish. This is a starfish. And this one is shark. This is a dolphin. I like fishes. I love fishes. Do you love fishes? So let's arrange these sea animals at their fixed places. This is a whale. So we will fix it here. W-H-A-L-E, whale. This is a starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H, starfish. This one is crab. We will fix it at its place. This is a crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Crab live in sea. This is a lobster. L-O-B-S-T-E-R, lobster. This is a shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. This is a dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin.